Alright, so we're going to do one more of the Not-A-Colander tie-dyes. This is going to be another spiral. It's just going to be a single color dye though. So this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out since it's being ice dyed. And I'm just going to go ahead and pick, I don't know, center-ish here and start spinning this up. We're going to go to an area about that big or so, roughly. Alright, off to dye. Okay, like last time, it's sitting on one of the old bottles, jars of dye. It opened up quite a bit more when I set it down, but I like it. It's got a very good swirl going on here. This is quite a bit larger than the last time, but I'm going to go ahead and go with it. Let me go ahead and mark that. And now I'm going to apply a single dye color. And this is from Custom Colors, and it's their dark black. This usually splits into like a blue and then a few other colors, and I'm looking for the blue. So hopefully it's there this time. I'm going to go ahead and apply it roughly in a triangle like that, and then probably a second one. Let's go ahead and apply the dye. Alright, that isn't perfectly centered on each other, but it's a spiral. Hold on. Maybe I can add a little bit more there. Alright. I'm actually going to add some right in the center so I don't have a white center on this one. And let's go ahead and do the ice. I am going to add some extra soda ash this time. Put that on there. And then I'll come in with the crushed ice. Add a little bit of soda ash up here. and then some more ice. Alright, let that sit and melt through, and take a look when it's melted. See if we need some more ice or not. Alright, I did not add any ice, so let's go ahead and do this washout. Alright, here's first look. I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll take a final look. And here's the front and the back. I like it. It even has a little smiley face on it. So there wasn't as much splitting as I'm used to with the I can't remember the name of it, of this black. There's normally more splitting, but I do like the wispy edges out here, and I think overall it actually looks pretty good. There is something that seems to be going on with the center of all of these. It's not necessarily bad, but it is different than what I would expect. I mean, other than the little smiley face here. So, quick and easy single color dye with the wispy edge or feathers or whatever you want to call it. What do you think? Let me know down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.